Hey, what's going on there, YouTubers? Well, here we are, the Atlas BP 8000, boop, 8,000 pound lift that I just got from Best Buy Auto Equipment here in SoCal. And this is the intro to the video you're going to see, which is basically what it took for me to get the trailer, drive to the place, get it loaded, strapped down, and then brought back to the house, and had to have my neighbors help me out. I wouldn't do it by yourself. You got to get some people to help you out. Be a little bit safer that way, unless you got the equipment like an overhead crane or a huge cherry picker and other stuff that you think you can do it by yourself. Cool, but I couldn't. I just had to tag somebody else in. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This can be video number 1, and then I just got a GoPro 8, and so we'll have to see how the resolution from the intro video part 1 pales in comparison to the second video, which is basically going to be me unpacking this thing and basically trying to put it over here because oh, I closed the garage. Anyway, it's going in that garage, but yeah, so it's basically going to be unpacking this thing, trying to upright the pillars, and then put them in place to mock up where it's going to go in the garage. And then at that point, once I mock it up, I'm going to cut the concrete, rebar, reinforce, pour new concrete, and then we'll have to wait while it cures. But then the other part of this video, or this series of the home garage installation, I take it back. The home car lift installation in the garage is going to be epoxy floors. So I'll videotape that as well, because if you're going to put it in a lift and cut up your concrete, might as well do the epoxy when you got everything out of the garage. So hopefully you guys can enjoy the pickup of the lift and a little truck video. I'll try and fast forward it as much as possible so you don't get bored to death. But you can see the struggles that I went through, and hopefully take some notes, and you can learn from it. It's always good when you got people who you can borrow equipment from. So I don't have to buy anything as of right now. What I am going to do is go to Harbor Freight just to try and get some rigging equipment and straps, so when I upright these columns, the pillars, it'll be a little bit easier. So anywho, this is the first video, and hope you guys enjoy.
Take care, buddy. All right. Kyle, my neighbor, is coming to pick up that hoist for me right now. What hoist? That one. How's it going? Yeah. Cool. Someday, yeah. How are you? No, give it a shot, please, for what is that? Tony, or hope that works out. Thanks. Yeah, pretty good. All right. Got the color? Here it comes. You gonna drop the gate down? You gonna drop the bed down? No, you're fine. Okay. Are you gonna look at the top of that dolly or anything? No, right? This thing? Yeah. Push it in. Yeah, that's good. That'll work. You think it'll break that little, I don't know if you see it, the freaking barge down there? If we, I don't even know if it's tall enough. That's alright. Yeah, let's do it. You gotta go up a little bit. Good there? Yeah, go that way, stop. Go that way. That should be good. Stop right there, and I don't know if you can maybe drop it and then pick it up a little, back out maybe like a foot or something. Is that good? Yeah. That's probably good. Right there? Yeah. I think that'll work. Okay.
All the accessories are prepackaged inside the lid.
Okay.
And then I'm checking the repair kit to see where it's at, but it's very minimal. So.
Okay. My little free $2 chocolate. All right. Where's the scratch at?
I think it's gonna give you a second.
Okay, no problem. Oh, I see it. Down here and they marked it. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on there, YouTubers? All right. So you just seen the voyage from leaving the house, picking up the trailer, driving to get the cherry picker from my buddy's shop. This guy right here, and that'll be fun. Kind of heavy. Might buy one after this though, because I don't know. I think it's going to come in really handy for moving big stuff. I've never had one, and that one's pretty compact. It folds up and whatnot, and I could probably slide it in a corner somewhere. Anyway, made it home. So now I'm going to try to unpack this thing, unload it. I'll call my neighbors once I get ready. Try and muscle it out of here with the cherry picker and basically I'll have a metal dolly like that one over there, like a fridge cart. And I'm gonna try and attach the cherry picker over here, have the fridge cart up on the front, and basically try and pull this thing back. And then I'll set it down in the garage right here. And I'm probably gonna put it, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put it over here. I might put it over here. We'll see. Maybe over here or over here. I don't really know. But I gotta put the Hellcat. I gotta put the Hellcat back in the garage, and I gotta have accessibility and whatnot. Maybe to this car. Who knows? We'll figure it out. I don't really know. But anyway, you guys can come along and see what happens, and maybe it'll help you. It'll give you some confidence to do it yourself sometime. And $40 plus $8 for the trailer, so that's not too bad. Free cherry picker for my buddy. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. I'll probably end up putting this thing on time lapse, and I'm gonna hook it up to my power because the battery's getting low. But I guess if I have to, I'll fast play this, or it'll be fast forward high speed, maybe 4 times the speed to watch me get this all set up, because you guys will probably fall asleep. And then at that point, if I have to talk, I'll talk, and if not, you don't want to hear me talk anyway. You just want to watch and see how it's all done so you can do it yourself. So that's cool. I get it. All right, so here we go. Gotta be safe. Glove zone. I already pinched my finger putting that cherry picker in the back of the trailer. It wasn't too bad, but wife won't like it later. GoPro shut off. I think it's overheating, not sure. Hopefully this works. Alright, so I don't know what you guys can see here. Let's see, I got my little phone. I don't know, I don't got one of the new GoPros, so I'm trying to figure out what you guys can see and what you can't see. And it looks like I'm gonna have to back this truck up. So I want to move my camera. Hopefully it doesn't fall off the hood of the car here. And getting hot out here. I want to avoid that crack right there once I get this lift hooked up to that side of the post. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm gonna back the truck up a little bit. Alright. Turns out my GoPro took a shit. I guess it's overheating, so I'll try and use the phone. See what happens. I don't know what kind of video that's going to come out to be. It was like 1440 on the GoPro wide angle. This one's regular, like whatever the hell it is, like 1920 or something, so we'll see. That banding stuff. Have anything to really tighten up. What is this thing? heavy. Probably weighs about 45 pounds, maybe. Okay. What's with this phone? Is it like... Oh man, it's all jacked up. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Come on, dude. What's going on here? It's like not wanting to stick to this thing. Oh my god, this is horrible. I don't even know what to do with this. It's like, damn GoPro, why'd you gotta take a poop? Right when I needed you the most. Yeah, let's try this. You guys go. This thing's rated at 5,000 pounds, so military type ratchet strap. Anyway, 5,000 pound rating. These things are supposed to be calibrated. This thing's probably 10 years old. It's dry, so you know, some oh shit factors. Stupid phone keeps coming undone. I have to tape this thing up some more. Anyway, definitely gonna have some concern with it. I'm gonna try and be real safe and slow, take my time, and see what happens. Let me get some more tape here. Shoot. Come on there, dudes. Let's see what we got going on here. Alright, so I think that looks good. Maybe what I'll do is put it right here so you guys can see it. See what I'm doing. Might be a little crooked. You have to see there. Anyway, as I was saying, it's a 5,000 pound capacity. I'm going to try and lift it up and then put my dolly underneath it. See if I can slide it out. I thought about putting wood underneath there, but that ain't gonna work. No. No. I don't like that. I think that's going to be a little bit better. I was gonna break this piece. It's already bent. Actually, I bent it out. I think so. Definitely don't want to have any body parts or anything underneath this, or close to anything that can get crushed by it. So let's see here. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so this is what I fashioned up. I don't even know if it's weight rated for this thing because the label's pulled off and it's cheap Harbor Freight crap, but fingers crossed it'll work. I'm going to raise it up and lower the bottom of the skid, or the bottom of the frame here, bottom part of this down there on here, and I'm going to strap it so it doesn't move while we're sliding this thing off. Okay, now As I was talking about, keep your fingers away from. Let's see if you can see this here. Keep your fingers away from the. Put this in here. Can I shorten it? Ooh, is it gonna work? Kind of works. Kind of not. But you should be able to see this thing a little bit better now, I think. Keep your fingers away from the frame falling on your hands. I'm gonna try and put that sling underneath there first so I don't gotta be fiddling with it. It's smarter, right? Oh shoot. Huh, alright. I don't even know if I want to stand in between this thing, so let's move over here. Not a good idea. Let's go on this side. Be safe about it. Alright. And once it gets tight on there, I want to get my fingers off there in case anything breaks or whatever. Keep my phalanges. This thing doesn't slide forward. Look at the neighbors. Ah, be all right. They'll get it. I'm about to buy me one of the 8s though. All right, ready? Go. 3.
Oh, no, hold on.
What's up?
It's breaking your wheel.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's a piece of crap Harbor Freight anyway. I think maybe what I'll do.
If all of us get it up, is there a way you think we can lift it?
It takes 1,300 pounds.
No, just straighten out that wheel.
I could. So I got that dog. Push this whole thing in, you know, 'cause I want to get this turned around.
Up here and kind of.
I want to get that thing kind of turned around.
This way?
Yeah. Hold on, let me get this.
Yeah. Nope.
Here, actually, that's probably good. I just want to get this thing kind of.
No, you're gonna get this thing to get stuck.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It does need to go. Let's
Maybe.
pull it. Let's pull it and then turn it.
Pull it backwards.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna do just
Just until the wheel. There you go. All right.
cool.
Now we can do this.
All right. All right. Thank you. Now the question is, I guess I put it next to the Corrado, and leave it there because, yeah, leave it next to the Corrado. And I push it up forward to the front a little bit. Okay, good. Yeah. Probably good.